Today I'm going to show you how to use VO3 on Leonardo AI in a simple step-by-step way so you can create high-quality AI videos faster and with much better control. Whether you want cinematic clips, short-form vertical videos, or more polished social content, this workflow will help you get set up correctly and avoid the most common mistakes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the official Leonardo AI app and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, look at the left sidebar and click Video Creation. This is the area where you'll build and generate your AI video. Now take a moment to set up your canvas properly because this affects the final look of your clip. In the left settings panel, choose your aspect ratio. If you want a cinematic landscape video for YouTube, go with 16:9. If you're creating content for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, choose 9:16, then select your generation length or clip duration based on how long you want the output to be. Next, you need to choose the right engine. Click the model drop-down menu and select VO3 or VO3.1. These are the options you will want if you're aiming for the highest quality and the best prompt adherence. If you see quality presets, choose the one that fits your token budget. For example, 720p is a good option if you want to save tokens, while 1080p is better when you want a sharper and more premium result. This step matters because your model and the quality settings can have a big impact on the final output. After that, upload your source image. Look for the source image upload area, which is usually below or next to the prompt bar. You can drag and drop your image or upload it manually from your device. This image will be the foundation for the video animation, so choose one that clearly matches the scene or subject you want to bring to life. And if you're using VO 3.1, you may also have the option to upload a second image into the end frame slot. This is really useful because it tells the system exactly how you want the clip to finish, giving you more control over the final motion and transition. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. Instead of writing one long casual sentence, use a structured 5-part video formula. Click into the central prompt box and describe your video using commas to separate each layer. Start with the core action, which is the main thing happening in the scene. Then add environment and particle motion so the model understands what's moving around the subject. After that, include stylistic consistency such as cinematic, realistic, clean lighting, or whatever visual style you want. Next, add camera and lens movement like slow push-in, handheld movement, or wide tracking shot. Finally, include audio cues if the tool supports them, such as ambient sound, wind, footsteps, or dramatic music. This format helps you generate more intentional and professional-looking results. Once your prompt is ready, check the token cost on the far right of the prompt bar so you know exactly what the generation will use. Then click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your video. After it finishes, review the variations in your history feed below. Look through the results carefully because you may find one version that matches your vision much better than the others. When you find the clip you want, hover over it and click the download icon to save the finished MP4 file to your computer. And that's it. You now know how to use VO3 on Leonardo AI from setup to export. The key is to pick the right aspect ratio, use the correct model, upload a strong source image, and write a prompt in the right structure. If you want more AI tutorials just like this, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.